Good morning, sir. I myself, Akshat Anand of Standard 9, is present before you to do the project of social science. The topic of my project is Corona pandemic. Now I would like to start. India condition due to coronavirus. Some images are shown below. Government policies in India. First, about two-thirds of population will be covered under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana. Second, farmers currently receive 6,000 every year through the PM Kisan scheme in three equal installments. Third, internet access under BharatNet scheme has been made available to government institutions and to improve the internet connectivity in rural areas for online classes. Fourth, to educate people on the preventive measures against the spread of COVID-19. The central government has put pre-call awareness messages on phone connections. Fifth, apps like CoWIN and Arogya Setu are launched by the government so that the people can book their vaccine and get it in the COVID centers. Seventh, many important resources for the treatment of coronavirus have been bought by the government from the other countries for the people of India, that are ventilators, remedies, vaccines, beds, etc. 8. 7th, government has started building more vaccination centers so that they can vaccinate the people as soon as possible. 8. Government has started lockdown so that this COVID could not spread more and create panic. China condition due to coronavirus. Some images are shown below. Government policies in China. First, China practices involving active case surveillance, rapid case diagnosis and quarantine, strict follow-up and quarantine of close contacts, and issuance of guidance to help the public. Second, in the first few days, some important public health measures were implemented by authorities, mainly including reporting to the public about the unexplained viral pneumonia outbreak, intensive surveillance and epidemiology investigations, case finding, quarantine and management, communication with WHO and other countries. Third, the Civil Aviation Administration of China had put the numbers of flights of Hubei province since 23 January 2020 and until 28 March 2020. United States condition due to coronavirus. Some images are shown below. Government policies in United States. The US government announced early measures to avoid imports of the infected, such as imposing travel restrictions, evacuating its citizens from the countries with coronavirus, and approving coronavirus test kits. Second, the US passed an $8.3 billion emergency coronavirus response bill on 4 March to combat the spread. States will receive millions of dollars as aid to respond to the coronavirus situation. Third, the US passed a bill on 13 March making coronavirus tests free for its residents. Fourth, the US government imposed nationwide social distancing rules banning gathering of more than 10 people, avoiding public places such as restaurants and bars, and avoid non-essential travels. Fifth, the US started public health entry screening at key airports, which handle the majority of travelers from China. Sixth, manufacturers such as General Motors and producing medical equipment such as ventilators. Seventh, the American Rescue Plan provides $350 billion in emergency funding for eligible state, local, territorial, and tribal governments to respond to the COVID-19 Argentina condition due to coronavirus. The images are shown below. Government policies in Argentina. First, the Argentina government rapidly decided to grant the special protection of waiver from duty to attendance with full salary to elderly workers, pregnant female employees, employees with underlying health conditions, and employees with children attending school for whom they must care. Second, the government also determined that any essential workers with COVID-19 would be covered by insurance against work-related illness and diseases. Third, strict police control was installed in the streets and highways to control the circulation and ensure citizens didn't break the rules. Fourth, in order to prevent a total collapse of the economy and the health services, established essential activities which are exempt for complying with the isolation. These including the following: the activities of healthcare personnel, digital and telecommunication activities, essential cleaning services, delivery of essential products. Fifth, a 0% import duty rate has been established for several goods, example personal protection equipment, medical equipment and tools, etc. Sixth, Argentina to control the spread of COVID-19 lockdown has been extended. 7. Social gatherings with more than 10 people are banned. Touristic or school group trips are suspended. Travels and the circulation of people in the area will be restricted from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. and only essential workers will be permitted to travel between these hours. Thank you, and I hope you would like my project.